Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix Steam not launching or running in 2025, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is make your way over to Steam on your desktop, right click on it and hit Properties. From Properties you want to go over to the Compatibility tab, and then you want to go over to Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, and you want to also click on Run this program as an administrator. Once you check those two boxes, you can go ahead and hit apply and then go ahead OK. And then once you X out, you can go ahead and open up Steam that way. Now, that should help fix the issue. What you can also do is restart your PC. Now, if you're having an issue where you're able to open Steam, but none of the games are launching, what you can do is go to the specific game you're having this issue with, right click on it, hit properties, go over to installed file, then go ahead and hit verify integrity of game files. And what this basically does is that it just checks or to see if there are any corrupted files, and it helps fix that issue. And if you want to restart Steam, what you can do is look for Steam in the top left and go ahead and hit exit. This will update Steam as well and restart it as well. Now, once you do all of these steps, you guys should be good to go and you are all set. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.